Hey guys, happy Friday. Today for you is May 14th, and we have less than 10 school days till you move on to high school. I'm sorry I can't be here today, but I want to explain your lesson for you. Feel free to send me an email. I'll try to answer them as best as I can. This will be one of the last grade assignments that we have because next Wednesday you turn your computers in. So let's dive into it. Go ahead and when you're in the homepage for social studies, go to modules. Once that loads, you want to scroll down, week 33 timeline. Even if it says e-learners, that's all my students are going to do that for Friday's lesson. Okay. You have your objective, your essential question, and then there's step-by-step instructions, which I'm going to explain in this video as well. All right. Your resources, you have 3 that you can use. All right. The red textbooks, which are on the side of the class on the cart. If you borrow one, please put it back. You can use the week 33 reading from Discovery Ed, which presents in Spanish and has audio text. And then finally, the notes you took during our gallery walk yesterday. Your goal for today's class is to create a timeline. On one slide, at max, if you need it, it could be on 2 slides. Okay, that's your goal. It's going to include a picture, the year, and all the 9 events need to be in chronological order, meaning what happened first, and all the way on the left-hand side to what happened last on the right. You're going to add a 1-sentence summary in the speaker notes section, okay? And then your 1-sentence summary is going to talk about why that event created tension and eventually led to civil war. Finally, make sure you hit the blue submit button so you get your points. When you scroll down, you're going to see the Google slide that's been created for you. But I want you to hit this blue link so it opens up into a new window so it's easier to read. Again, here's some instructions for you on page 1. Page 2, there are your 9 events that need to be on your timeline, as well as the page you can find it both in Discovery Ed and the red textbook. Down here, I started a timeline for you, okay? And by all means, if you want to, delete it, and you can start from scratch if you have your own creativity design you want to use. But to get it, keep it simple. You're going to insert an object. Keep mine with a shape. I went with a square. You can usually pack more in, right? There we go, just like that. Or if you want to keep things symmetrical, if you click on that square, hit Control C, or you can take your 2 fingers on the mouse pad to right click, hit copy, Control V, and you can get that square the same size right there, right? Now we're gonna have to change our title to whatever it might be. The second one is probably gonna be the Compromise of 1850. You're gonna need to include a picture, all right? Remember, you have 2 options to include a picture. You can open up a new tab. Once you find a picture you want, you can right click, copy image, bring it in and paste it. You want to shrink the size so that fits inside. Lastly, you can make a connection between your square and the line. Make sure you clean it up though, right? It should be easy to read. You're going to use this as a resource to help you on your quiz on next Tuesday, right? So make this very easy to read and accessible to you. If it doesn't make sense, it's going to throw you off during the quiz. Lastly, down here in your speaker notes is where I need you to put a 1-sentence summary. Tell me why this created tension in the union. If you can't see this, if yours is too small, some of you guys might be like that. Look for those 3 dots. When you hover the hand over it, you can stretch it up, right? I put the year. I put a sentence that summarizes why this was an issue. You go to the next one.